kinds of adverbs. Adverbs of manner. Adverbs of place. Adverbs of time. Adverbs of manner. Saba does her work quietly. The adverb quietly tells us how Saba does her work. Adverbs of manner. Jeff laughed happily. The adverb happily tells us how Jeff laughed. Adverbs of place. An adverb, which gives us information about place, is called an adverb of place. Examples are given below. The adverb below tells us where the examples are given. Adverbs of place. He was standing outside. The adverb outside tells us where he was standing. Adverbs of time. Amr went to see a play today. The adverb today tells us when Amr went to see a play. Adverbs of time. My father will come home soon, Omar informed the visitor. The adverb soon tells us when father will come home.